Namo Buddhaya, and a very good afternoon to everybody. I give my greetings to all of you who have gathered here today on this very, very special occasion of Human Rights Day celebration. I bring to you greetings from the Buddhist community in Karnataka, and as I'm a Buddhist monk, I'm representing Buddhist groups. And my, first of all, most respected, honorable Minister Sahib Sri Jamir Ahmad ji, our dynamic, young, and very wonderful and foresighted ministers. We are so proud of you, sir, to bring all the communities together under this platform. I feel it is a family. We are all family under his guidance. And Honorable MP Sri Lal Singh Sriwa ji, good to have you here today. And our political secretary, Saab, let me take the name, Nazir Ahmad Saab, and our chairperson of Karnataka State Minority Commissions and secretaries. Also very special hearty welcome to Madam Salma for being elected as the new secretary. And all the distinguished religious leaders, fathers and Guruji and Maulana Saab, and all our Jain sisters, and of course our Sikh brothers, all the religious leaders have gathered here to commemorate this day. Now, it's a great honor to stand before you today, dear esteemed invitees. It is a very great honor for me to stand on this day, which marks the Minority Rights Day. This affirms our shared commitment to justice, dignity, and equality for all communities, regardless of faith or ethnicity or whatever background we may have. We are here to joining our hands with all of you to celebrate the values of Lord Buddha. We say Mahakaruna, the compassion, equality, harmony, and inclusivity among all. Now, the Buddha's message, if I can quote here, compassion and coexistence among all faith. Our gathering today is a testament to the spirit of unity. Though we come from different traditions, from Islam, from Christianity and Jain, but we all share the same values of love, of truth and service to humanity. The Buddha said that in one of the sutras he says, respect for all people, stating that we should treat others as we wish to be treated happy. We want to be happy, we want to be peaceful. Likewise, we should treat others likewise. And then in compassions, like we say Karuna, Hinduism say Daya, Rehma in your scriptures, Agape, Christianity or Seva. The common language is here to connect each other is compassion, the Karuna. So we are binded together. So let us stand together, not stay apart, not divide. We will stay united for the development of Karnataka, for development of our country, for development of the whole nations. If you remember Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's his human rights, he says community, our minorities are not just minority, they're a force, a decisive force, a powerful force. If they are developed, no doubt no force can stop us to grow and reach to the higher success. So let us build the bridge together. And I would urge here leadership, like our Sir Jamir Ahmad Sahib is a dynamic leader, and he is wished to bring everybody together, bring harmony and cohesiveness, unity among all the communities. The Buddha also, in one of the occasions, he says, a just king provides for all. Nowadays we have kings, we have ministers, that the kings, they provide just for all, safeguards the poor, and does not neglect even the smallest communities. So this message of equality which Lord Buddha have delivered 2,600 years ago, it resounds very alive now. If you look back Buddha's time, there were no such communities, not such barriers. We are all living under the same roof, under the same sky, and on the same earth. We are one family. So These words remind us the true nobility that lies in moral conduct, kindness, not in difference in religion, caste, or race. Today we must uphold this principle by ensuring that every minority group has the right to live with dignity, integrity, and security. Now, over the years, we have seen the contribution of minorities to the societies. They're contributing to the progress of our nations. Our duty is to preserve and protect this diversity. It enriches the very purpose of our nation. Now, today, as we celebrate this Minority Day, let us reaffirm our collective responsibility. Whether I'm a Buddhist monk or our Jain monk or Jain communities or Sikh brothers or anyone who are here, let us affirm our responsibility. We have to be responsible. We have to be good educated. We have to be highly qualified. You have to show that we can achieve anything in any field. That much of moral leadership, that much of wish and zeal we should all have. Let us protect the dignity of every human being to ensure equal opportunity for all, to stand against discrimination, intolerance, and injustice. Buddha says the final word before I conclude. He says, Appamadena sampadetha. That means strive diligently. For what? For the welfare of all beings, for welfare of everybody. So I conclude this speech, thank you for giving me this opportunity, honorable ministers, and then all our dignitaries. I conclude with a peace prayer. It says, may peace and wisdom guide us all. May the blessings of most compassionate Lord Buddha be upon us. May the every blessings and protections comes from all directions. May all of you be well and happy. Bhavatu Sabba Mangalang. Let us commit ourselves to a society where every community is respected, every voice is heard, every individual can live with dignity and peace. May all be happy. I conclude here. Namo Buddhaya. May everybody be happy.